Well, some travel days go smoothly and some do not.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We were this close and we had a problem with our other landing jack. Last year, or let's see here, I think it was probably January-ish or so, we had an issue with the other landing leg, and Dave was near us, so he came and helped. Well, guess what Dave gets to do again, since he's right there. He's gonna help us again. This side should be a little bit more difficult because it has the motor over here. But we have confidence in Dave and Tom's abilities. So Tom is calling our host where we were going to stay tonight and say we won't be there tonight because by the time this gets done, it's going to be too dark. So we won't leave until tomorrow, hopefully. So we had to take stuff out of the basement to make room for them to work. And so Kaylee's already in the truck. And Bear's hanging out here. I'm Bear. Hi. Say hi. Good girl. So that's how our day is going today. A travel day turned into an untraveled day. So Dave, are you sick and tired of being friends with Tom and Lori?
Absolutely not.
Are you sick of our
stuff
stuff
hang out in the
breaking?
toolbox. I stay there until I'm needed, and then it's a comfortable place to ride.
Yeah? Okay.
You know,
we will reward you well.
Just
We
stop
owe
putting
you
the hammer on top of me, Tom.
you know what's so funny
No.
is when I took this out, he popped right out of this toolbox.
Wow. He condenses really well.
That's my Dave in a toolbox.
Oh, we love and appreciate Dave very, very much.
Well, he loves and appreciates you too. Absolutely. Okay, we need to bump this motor the other way so I can have it that other end.
All right, well, they got the leg out. Fun stuff. We've got it laying over here for now until Dave's truck gets back from getting gas. Went all on its own. Anyway, so what we think happened, like the same last time, was the pin at the top of this came out.
Yep. It didn't break. It didn't.
It just fell out.
Just
Yeah,
fell out.
last time.
So
let's
what
hope
are
that's...
the chances that this one just fell out?
Oh God. Let's hope it's the same thing.
Right?
As much as Dave loves this kind of stuff,
I do.
we don't want another
I
challenge.
want to take more stuff apart.
Oh gosh. Thank goodness for that.
Okay.
Okay, that screw came out of
That
where?
screw came out
Came out
right there.
right
It goes.
there.
Okay.
It goes all the way through, so you can see
Yeah.
it's about that long.
Okay.
And I have a feeling now that motor or that collar is released. That's what's holding your motor on.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a burr or something that's catching it. Okay. It's coming. See the
Yeah. It's
watching
moving.
the hole.
It's moving. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Come on, you beast.
Oh,
Maybe you can pull it now.
Got it. Oh, it's got a little bit of a bend to it. Maybe no,
no, it doesn't.
maybe not.
No.
No, it looks pretty straight. So what's holding this one on? Same deal. That one will come off
That
as well.
down there.
No.
Oh, that's not even.
I think it's just the same burrs. Same burrs that were holding that plastic collar on. There's nothing there. Tap it.
there? What's this one here? Is that preventing it?
Nope.
Okay.
No. It's going. Yep, keep going. You're going. Just like that. All right. Now I'd say if we wanted to pull that apart and see how it's looking in there, we could. That one I'd want to be careful.
Yeah.
Because we don't have another one to replace it with.
I'm almost thinking don't.
Don't.
Yeah, don't
And
touch
let's
it.
just
Yeah.
repin this.
Get this done. Well, that didn't necessarily need to come off of there.
Yeah.
I just wanted you to know how to get that off of there.
And that way you can.
And that way you can replace that.
Yep.
Because there's your
Right
bolts
there.
right
There
there.
they are, the two.
That's holding
and
these
those.
right here.
All
And
four of those come out.
Okay.
This comes off.
Yep. Yep. And chances are you'll need to put this on the new
one.
Because the other one just comes with the gearbox. So it looks like that releases right there.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
we need a
I don't
punch
know.
to drive that.
What's going to work as a punch?
pin.
Okay, Tom, this is videoed that you do not delete. Do not delete this video. We need that
Do not.
information
Hold on
for
to
when
this
we
video.
need to replace these parts.
Would that work, or is that too big? Too big?
Okay, so now the reassembly process has begun.
Uh-huh.
Putting it back together, put the pin back in that fell out,
There you go.
which is that right there, right?
Right there. No.
No, that's a different pin. Okay.
Here's her.
So anyways, putting the gears back on, then they have to deal with the motor.
Du-du-du.
They are confident they can achieve
We got
success.
this. We got this. We got this. All right.
Thanks to our Dave in a toolbox. Well, is it time for a test?
Yeah. You
All
ready?
right. All right. Here we go. The leg is coming down.
We got jacks again.
The other side's coming down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is running much more smoothly. Oh, okay. Well, once again, you are our savior.
I didn't do anything. I
Yes,
just
you
waiting
did.
for somebody
Yes,
to make
you
room
did.
in my toolbox so I can get back in. I want to.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Dave. We appreciate
Tom
you
did
immensely.
all the work. I didn't do anything.
Oh, yes, you
So,
did. Yes, you did. Okay, well, that was a very long travel day for Kaylee. She spent all day in the truck, or all afternoon, and we didn't go anywhere.
What time is it? You guys still
It's
could get
2:45.
You guys could still go.
No, we can't.
It's only an hour. It's an hour. You'd be there before
It's
dark.
3:30. It's too late. It'll be dark. We don't want to set up in the dark.
I tried. You're just gonna have to stay here.
Shut up and get in your toolbox.
Oh, we love our Dave in the toolbox.
Get back in there where
Thank
you
you,
belong.
Dave. Well, today was one of the longest, shortest travel days we've had.
It was the shortest travel day, but the longest travel day.
Ask Kaylee. She
Oh
spent
my gosh.
all afternoon in the truck and didn't go anywhere, which is
Dave.
probably just happy for her.
Our endeavors, Dave, is a true blessing.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we tease about having a Dave in our toolbox, but actually it's so good to have such a genuinely wonderful friend.
Incredible.
He's always there to back us up.
You can't say enough good things about him.
Yeah,
You
so
really can't.
Thank you, Dave, so much.
Yeah, we love you, man.
And
Yes.
I have to praise you.
Me?
Yes. You
Why?
you
Just
were-
because I got my hands dirty for once?
No,
Got
you
grease on them.
You were very good. You put your patience pants on and you didn't throw a fit or nothing.
I don't throw fits.
yeah, when something like this happens, if we didn't have Dave right here, I think there would have been a fit. Because like, oh man, we got to do this by ourselves. Do we remember how Dave did it? But thankfully, we're right here with Dave. So, they got the leg fixed.
Well, thank you for that compliment.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too.
Almost as much as I love Dave.
It's all part of the adventure. So, there are good days and there are not so great days. But we're getting a beautiful sunset, which we wouldn't have gotten.
It is incredibly beautiful. I mean, look at that. And then look at this over here. Let me turn the camera. Woo, doggies. That is gorgeous. So's this. Okay.
What?
I'm trying to enjoy the sunset. Some idiots got their generator running.
That would be us. It was a very cloudy day.
Oh.
And we didn't get any sun on our solar. So,
I told you some idiot was running his generator.
That would be us right now. Got to top off those batteries for overnight.
Okay.
So, anyway.
We're done. We're going to call it a day.
Yeah, we are. We're going to camp out in the living room. We're not going to undo anything. I have to go get the bed made. That's the one thing that we do have to do.
Vamoose.
I mean, I could sleep on the floor, but I don't know about you. You'd be waking up with a bad back.
Goodbye. Go get it.
See ya.